All right, it's being a while since the last time we talked about modern web development in ServiceNow, and it's good to be back. Today, I want to give you a quick glance at what's coming for ServiceNow partners and development community in the next couple of months. Let me bring the reference first. This is a State of JavaScript survey for 2022, the list of the most popular front-end frameworks and libraries. Many of you asked if it is possible to build ServiceNow apps using those frameworks. The answer is yes, and we're going to introduce a new development approach that has never been seen before. That is the ability to design and develop modern web applications directly in ServiceNow. Well, I don't want to bother you with technical details. Just want to show you an example. How to create, build, and deploy React app in ServiceNow in less than 10 seconds. So let's go back to ServiceNow instance and let's create a new project. Let's give the project a very unique name like Hello World. And provide unique identifiers. As you can see, there are multiple frameworks and environments available, but we'll pick React for demo purposes. And we can use multiple boilerplates, so let's do just Hello World and let's bootstrap the project. So project has successfully bootstrapped and we can take a look at the code. And by the way, all of the things you see is happening in ServiceNow. All of the source code, the files, and the code editor. You can browse the files, write the code, upload assets, and of course, we can then build and deploy our app to ServiceNow. Usually it takes less than 5 seconds. Let's take a look. The build is complete, and the app is already deployed into ServiceNow. This is our application that we just deployed. It is based on a simple boilerplate that includes an example of a state management, routing, and different types of asset rendering. As you can see, it's deployed and running on ServiceNow. And the next question you may have. Okay, so we have an app deployed to ServiceNow, but how can we use it in Service Portal or maybe on an incident form? That is a good question. So you can just open the code snippet panel and copy generated code. It gives you the code you can use in different places in ServiceNow. Let's say you want to add it to an incident form or whatever data form you have. Just open the corresponding section and follow the instructions. And one of the most important part here, you can also use your application and components in next experience pages and workspaces. Let me show you another example, which is United States Web Design System. That is a design system created for federal customers. How can we use it in ServiceNow? Pretty much copy-paste approach. We already have a project and it's already deployed. Let's just take a look at the code. And this is the actual portal page the code represents. So stay tuned. There is so much more to come.